Alright, so I noticed one of my hens, maybe a couple of them, but one in particular is being picked on a lot. She's being picked on the back of her head, and that's the rooster doing that. And on her back, right before her tail feathers. So I went and got some blu-kote. Blu-kote is a spray. It's an antibacterial, antifungal spray that you can put on the wound, and it turns it blue, that area, so they won't pick on it because they're attracted to red, you know, red wounds. So it was kind of funny. I figured I'd try to feed my chickens, and then while they're feeding, I grab her, and you know, then I could spray the stuff on her. That was hilarious because she wouldn't let me catch her. I was chasing her around. It was hilarious. But anyways, so now I'm going out to buy a net, a landing net, to catch her. It's gonna be a little traumatic for her, but what are you gonna do? I have to take care of her wounds. She won't let me catch her. I'm not gonna sit there and run around and try to catch her. She's pretty fast, and I'm getting too old for that. So that's where I'm going now. There you go, piggies. Alright, the chase begins. Let's see here now.
You got the cap off of that thing and get it ready? Hey. It's okay, Chicky. Oops, I'm not holding the camera.
Okay, now not on the head. Hang on, I'll do the head. This is what I'm gonna do. I want you to squirt up. I'm gonna cover her eyes. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Go, hurry. Okay, it's good. It's good, honey.
Okay.
Oh, she really tangled herself now. All right, Chicky, come on. There you go. All right, guys, so in the process of treating the chicken, I also treated myself. Or my wife did, I should say. But I have a couple more to do. They look like they're getting picked on too. Hopefully this will keep it from getting infected, and it won't be as red, and the other chickens won't pick at her. But anyways, I got a couple more to do that looks like they're getting picked on, and I'm gonna keep an eye on them. If it gets worse, if they're still getting picked on, I'm gonna have to separate her, put her in a different cage for a while, and not much else I can do. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.